Hello everyone, welcome to a project built by me, which is to calculate the CGPA of a student. So in this project, let's say in the first semester a student gets 3.3 in CSE 110 and 4 in all other courses. So his CGPA is 3.825, but in the next semester he is taking other courses and getting 4 in all the courses, and he has also taken a retake which is CSE 110 and he got 4. So the new update is the CGPA is 3.91, but actually while he is taking repeat, his CGPA has to update. So here, in case of updating or repeating a course, we have created another block where we will write the previous CGPA which he or she has obtained, and then we can see that the updated CGPA is seen, which is already 4. And here we can also see the credit courses and how many courses he has done, that is 7. In the first semester he has taken 4 courses, and in the second semester he has taken 4 courses, but out of those 4, one is repeat, so that means he has done 7 courses, which is a total credit of 21. And uh, it's a general CGPA, I mean total CGPA. Actually, it's the summation of the CGPA of every courses, so that is 28. And here we have a degree plan for CS students, where we have given the mandatory courses, mandatory core courses, I mean the JNET courses, and the courses which are optional. He or she can edit these courses, and there he will or she will write the CGPA, so that he or she has the control uh, over the thing, that he or she is seeing that what courses is remaining for him or her, or what courses he or she has to do in the next semesters. So let's say we have done our second semester. Now we have taken another 4 courses, that is, let's say, third semester. And in this semester he has taken CSE 111, CSE 260, Math 216, and CSE 320. So a student has taken these courses in the present semester, but he doesn't know what is recent CGPA. So let's say we are changing the CGPAs. I mean, let's make it 4 for Math 3.3, Physics 3.7, 33.3. So here looks normal CGPA, which is 3.75. Now he wants to check, or he wants to predict what CGPA he has to, what is the number of CGPA he has to obtain in each of the courses to, let's say, get 3.8 or 3.9. So he can predict by putting different types of CGPA. Let's say he predicts that he's gonna get 4 in CSE 111, in CSE 260 3.7, in Math 164, and in 324. Then he can see that he is going to get 3.81 if he gets these amounts of CGPA in each of the courses. Let's say he's gonna get 3.3 in a course, then what will be his CGPA he can already predict by putting a desired CGPA which he or she is gonna, or he thinks he is gonna obtain in this semester. So by which he or she can predict, or even she can understand that how much amount of time he or she has to give in his academics to get his or her desired CGPA. And here, for calculating, we have segmented this in different parts. Let's say in case of GPA, he's gonna write the GPA, and then we are gonna calculate the total GPA by the number of courses, and the number of courses where we have used a count function to count the number of courses here. In each of the semesters, it's done like this way. And in case of the optimal result, which is the total summation of all the blocks in the GPA side, and it is divided by all the blocks of how many courses he has taken in the semesters. So it is a CGPA where there is no repeat. And in case of repeat, as he has taken repeat, then we have an updated calculator which is calculating the previous result and then subtracting the count and the CGPA from this grade sheet, in the retake grade sheet, and it's going to update the CGPA. In course done, we have to use the same technique. The how many courses he has done, we have calculated that and then subtracted the number of counts of retaken courses. And in case of GPA, we have just added the summation of the total GPA and we have subtracted the retake amount. And in case of credit, we have just multiplied the course done with 3, as all the courses of CSE are 3 credit. And we have given that E63, right? What is E63? Here we can see that E63 is the credit of the thesis. I mean, we have a thesis calculator here, which is just, it's just adding the extra amount of courses after the thesis, that is the credit. As we have a credit course in we have a credit of 4 credit course in case of thesis, so it's just going to multiply all other courses with 3, and then add the add the GPA of the thesis, and multiply the GPA of thesis with 4, and then add with the other GPS, and then it divides with the total credit, that is M15, and then we are getting the desired GPA after the thesis. And in this calculator, which is just a basic calculator, which is just calculating these grades, the updated grades, and then it's showing the GPA. It's nothing, it's just a normal thing. And in case of this, we are this is a rubric type of thing where a student can see what courses are remaining and what courses he's going to take. You can plan from this chart. Here we have given a man, that is the mandatory courses, we mandatory generic courses which he or she has to do, and there are some suggested courses, but they can also change the courses by seeing the rubric which is being given by the department. So that's the basic of the whole degree plan or the CGPA calculator. In our next phase, we are planning to make an ultimate calculator which is going to calculate the CGPA for any of the courses of any department of any university, which is completely going to replace our course system with credit system, where the calculations will be done with credit and it will be transferred in a website. So that's it from the project. I am Mohammad Nafis Sadiq Miller, Senior Executive of Human Resource Department. Thank you.